Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how I made this drawstring afro ponytail. To make the ponytail, I used an elastic rope, some combs. The hair I used is by Prima Afro from Tanzania and it's called Afro Twist. It does not come in bundles, instead it comes in these balls, like tangled, messy balls, but I guess that's what gives its texture. I also used a mesh net and a mannequin head and of course a needle and thread and some scissors. You also need something to mark, by the way. So first I pinned the mesh net onto the mannequin head to keep it from moving around. And then I marked where I was going to sew the hair, which I figured would be about the top half of the head. So later on when I was sewing, I realized that it's easier if I draw lines so that I don't get lost, because I realized that I was kind of getting lost, and I realized that when I was sewing the second track. And I just kept on going on and on in circles until I reached the top and closed the little gap in the middle by sewing it together. When I was done, I cut off the rest of the net, leaving a space of about an inch on the edge. I started folding the edge in half inwards and sewing it. Do remember to leave a gap where you will need to insert the drawstring. Using a safety pin, I inserted the drawstring and then inserted it through the black plastic thingy. I'll put in the name of what it's called somewhere. And then I tied the ends together. And there I was sewing on the combs, and I only used one at the front. That is what my hair looks like when it's unstretched, so I dampened it and pulled it up using some holding gel. I use a piece of pantyhose, by the way. Then I clipped on the ponytail and also added some bobby pins to make it secure.
So this is the final look, and I actually really like it, and I think I did not do too bad, guys. What do you think? If you want me to do more hair videos, let me know and I will do them for you. Don't forget to thumbs up, like, comment and subscribe.
By the way, I have a video of this fabric or art that you see in the background, and I'll put it in at the end of this video, so please do check it out.